Hello, friends! Come, let's make a cute monkey using shapes. Let's make the face first. Follow me as we will use circles to complete the face. Okay, let's complete the head portion and we will use circles again. Use circles to make ears. Let's add another circle to make monkey's body portion. Let's make the hands and feet. We have used heart shapes for hand and ovals to complete the feet. Let's make the eyes. We will use circles to make eyes. Follow me as we draw together. Use semicircle or a half circle to make the eyelids. Let's draw the nose next. Use shapes you like. Let's add the mouth using a semicircle. Let's add teeth for the monkey. Well, our cute little monkey is almost ready. Let's give some final touches. Don't forget to make one by yourself and share with everyone. Thanks for watching.